Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with credentials and access. Log into WP Admin now and confirm you can upload plugins. Install Theme My Login from Plugins, right arrow Add New and activate it immediately. Once done, make sure permalinks are set to anything but plain so the plugin's pages resolve. If you prefer, connect via FTP or your hosting file manager to verify plugin files exist. Create a quick backup snapshot before changing forms. This prevents data loss and speeds rollback if needed. You'll now build the actual login flow. Open Theme My Login settings and walk through General, Modules, then Pages. Assign or create pages for login, registration, password reset, and profile using provided shortcodes. Configure redirection rules so users land where you want after login or logout. This prevents loops. Enable modules like reCAPTCHA or honeypot for spam control, and set password strength and email templates. Make changes one at a time and test each page to confirm behavior and avoid conflicts with other plugins. Finish by customizing templates or copying TML template files into your child theme to override markup and CSS. This keeps updates safe. Test registration, login, password reset, and redirects using multiple user roles, browsers, and an incognito window. Make sure email confirmations arrive. If you hit problems, flush permalinks first, then disable other plugins to isolate conflicts and review PHP error logs. Finally, restore your backup if needed. Otherwise, tweak settings and retest until the workflow is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.